Hello guys, welcome to your channel. So on my last video I said I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do the strategy on volatility indices, and today I'm going to be explaining how you can make use of the strategy on the fixed indices. Okay, so this strategy works on all the volatility indices space, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to make use of it. So if this is your first time on my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on post notification, and type posting strategy, you guys will be aware. And so let me delete everything up, and I'm going to be showing you guys one after the other. Okay, so let me show you guys the settings for the strategy. Okay, so firstly let me delete everything up, so we are going to be setting it up one after the other. Okay, so now you can see now that I have clean chart right now, so this is going to help you as a beginner or advanced trader. Okay, so what I want you to do is just to make sure that you watch this video to the end, so you won't miss any explanation about this strategy, and also make sure you follow me with this strategy, and make sure to set everything up as I do, including the styles. Okay, so now when you get to our indicator window, all you have to do, just click on the F icon. Now when you get to your indicator window, click on the main window plus and search for your moving average. You can see that here, this is the moving average. Now click on it. So the properties for the moving average, the period is 20, shift is 3, the method is exponential, apply to close. I'm going to be using the red color, so click on done when you set it up. Okay, so now we are going to move on to the next indicator, so click on the main window plus, search for your stochastic oscillator right here, and click on it. Now this is the properties for stochastic oscillator. The K period is 1, the D period is 1, the slowing is 1, the price is low and high, method is simple, and the levels, we need the 10 and 90 levels, and I'm going to be using the good color. So click on done when you set it up, and this you are going to have your stochastic oscillator in your chart. Now to the next indicator, we click on the indicator window 1 plus, we set for our envelope right here, and we click on it. Now for the first envelope right here, this is the properties. The period is going to be 2, shift is 1, the deviation is 6.1, this is 6.100, method is smoothed, apply to close, and I'm going to, the upper band is going to be blue and the lower band is going to be red. So click on done when you set it up, and you're going to have your blue envelope in your chart. Now to the next indicator, click on the indicator window 1 plus, search for your envelope right here, and click on it. And this is properties for the envelope line. The deviation is going to be 0.07, method is smoothed, apply to close, and for the upper and lower band, we are going to be making use of it as a green. Okay, so both the lower and the upper band is going to be green. So click on done when you set it up, and this is how your chart is going to look like. Okay, so now I'm going to be explaining to you guys how to make use of this strategy. Now before I dive into that, I want you guys to know that we do have account management. Contact number you're seeing on the screen, and also if you want the premium course, contact number you're seeing on the screen is a WhatsApp number. So without me saying it, let's begin with the strategy. Okay, so I'll give you the strategy right here. This strategy is very simple, and it's used on all the boom and on the volatility pairs. Okay, so at the zoom level, you are going to be using the third zoom level. So when you zoom out one, so you zoom in twice. Okay, and that's all. Okay, that's all. So now how do you use strategy? So you use strategy right here. It's very simple. All you need to do is just to follow this step. Okay, now the first thing you want to be consider before you take any trades with the strategy right here is that, now let's say you want to go for a buy. Now you're looking for your envelope line to touch the oversold level. Okay, so the oversold level is going to be the 90 levels of the stochastic oscillator, and it also has to touch the envelope line. Okay, so you can see we have the two touches right here as I explained in my first video. So we have to wait for the two touches to happen. The first touch right here is the envelope line, and the second touch is the 90 levels of the stochastic oscillator. Now when the envelope line touch both lines, then the next thing we are expecting is for the price to give us a confirmation entry. Now what are the confirmation we need to see? Now we want to see a candle close inside the close below the moving average. When the candle close below the moving average, which you can see right here, then we wait for a retest to happen. So we wait for the retest by waiting for the price to come back and retest the moving average line again. After breaking below it, we have to wait for it to retest and touch the moving average line again. So when the touches happen, then we are going to enter for our trades. Now remember, your top should always be above this last resistance right here, and your TP should always be this support, or you can just wait for the envelope line to come and touch your 10 levels of the stochastic oscillator. So it's simple and that, guys. So let me show you guys another example here on the volatility 10x. So now let's look for a pie example. So these are a pie example right here, which you guys can see. Now the first condition, as I already told you guys, is that we wait for the envelope line to come and turn it to overbought level, which means that it has to touch the 10 levels of the stochastic oscillator and also touch the envelope lines. Okay, when these two touches happens, now remember you are expecting for just one line to touch out of these two envelope line. You are expecting one line to touch, not the both line, just one line touch. Okay, if the both line touches, that is not an entry for you, so you wait for just one envelope line to touch. Now when you see that, then the next thing is just wait for the price to give you a confirmation entry. Now what are we waiting for is that we want to wait for a price to come back and close above the moving average. When the price come above the moving average, then the next thing we're expecting is to wait for a touches. Wait for the price to come back and touch the moving average. After breaking above it, we wait for it to come back at touches. When the touches happens, we enter our trade. Okay, we go for our buy. Stop should always be below the support area for a buy, and tip should always be when the envelope line reach the 90 levels, or you can just close your trade manually. So as simple as that, guys. So let me show you guys another trade here on volatility 100. Okay, you can see, so we have same thing right here, but this volatility, so it is quite different. You can see that the both line are moving together. Okay, so you can see we don't have any space, right? You can see we have some space right here on the envelope line, but here on this 100, the both line are moving together. So it's very simple. All you have to wait for is same thing over and over again. You just have to do the same thing over and over again, and you make no money. Okay, so first of this, wait for the envelope line to come and touch the 10 levels, which is the overbought level, and also touch the envelope line. Okay, when the touches happens, we wait for the price to give us an entry. So we wait for the price to come and break above the moving average. When we break above, we wait for the retest. Okay, now this is a fake retest. This retest right here does not touch the moving average, but still yet the price move in our favor. So that's it, that, guys. So let me show you guys another example for a sell trade. Okay, for a sell trade, I want to look for a clean sell trade. Okay, so here on the volatility, so you can see we have our first criteria, our first condition, which is the touches has to happen at the 90 levels, which you can see right here. Touches has to happen touching the oversold level and also touch the envelope line. When the touches happens, we wait for the price to give us an convention entry by breaking below it. After breaking below it, we wait for the retest to come back and touch the moving average line, which you can see right here, touch. Then the market keep on going to the other side, going through our favor. So as simple as that, guys. So I don't want this video to be long, so I hope you guys find this video helpful right here. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on post notification and type posting strategy. You guys will be aware. Thank you, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.